Well, I am pretty excited to be using this today. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this baking pan set. Now, why do they call it a set? Well, it's a set because you get this beautiful baking pan. And yes, it does have the little ridges on the bottom, which I've been told make cookies even better. So we'll have to maybe make some cookies on them as well. It comes with this rack that fits right inside of it. You can kind of see here how deep this is. It's a nice deep pan. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. It also comes with some parchment paper that is cut exactly to the size of this pan, which is pretty awesome. And I'm sure you can hear that my oven is on. I am going to use this to make a ham today. I have a big spiral ham we're going to put on here. We're going to cover it up and we're going to put it in the oven. The nice thing about it is because this is raised, you can use this as, like I said, you can use it so many different ways. You can use it as a roasting pan. This would be great for making bacon in the oven because a bunch of the grease would drip down. You can use it to make cookies. You can use it to make sheet cake, whatever you want. Super easy to clean too. This is dishwasher safe, which is really nice. I always like it when they're dishwasher safe. I usually hand wash my oven pans anyway, but let's get the ham on here and see what it looks like. Well, I think this is going to work out perfect. So the reason that I do it like this is I have this nice rack that keeps the ham off of the bottom of the pan so it's not going to burn. And then because the pan is so deep, I can put a little bit of liquid in there, and then when I cover this whole thing with foil, it's not going to dry out. So I think this is going to be perfect. I'll try to remember to get a clip of this when it comes out of the oven. Okay, this pan's working pretty good so far. I just glazed my ham. Now it goes back in the oven for 30 more minutes. Yeah, I think that worked out pretty good. Well, that's what's left. I still have to cut this up. This pan, awesome. The ham was amazing. The pan worked exactly as I needed it to. I'm super happy with it. Next time I'll have to bake some cookies on it. If you guys are looking for a great pan with the rack and the parchment paper and all the other stuff, we recommend this.